Miss Vanessa here. It's circle time. Come on everybody and find your spot. Find your spot. Find your spot. Come on everybody and find your spot. It's circle time. Good morning, friends. Let's get out our 5 fingers so we can take our deep breaths and get our brains and our bodies calm and ready to learn. This is the last one. Make it big. There we go. It's time for the calendar. I want to tell you the date. First, we start down here at our year. No, we know we always start up here at the top at the left. And I see an so that's going to give me a clue when we sing our song to figure out what day of the week it is. Let's get our clapping hands out, warm up those voices. La 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 la. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Friends, did you hear me make that sound in our song? That M gives me a clue that today is Monday. Monday. I see 2 parts to that word. Then I go to the end and I come back to the beginning, but I see something special here. There are 2 of them. So this clue that this started with an sound tells me that our month also starts with an sound, and I see March. So I'm hearing that Monday and March both start with the same M sound. Now, I want you to stop and take a second and think of 3 M words for me. I'm going to take a deep breath in. My brain is ready to think of 3 M words. I am going to think about some money. I'm going to take a munch, a bite of something, and I said that this was our month. So my 3 M words are money, munch, and month. And those M's are at the beginning of the word. So we know it's Monday, March. I'm going to move over here to this 3 and this 0, and I know that a 3 and a 0 together make a 30. So I would like to do 30 claps and 30 ear wiggles. Are you ready? Get those hands out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. We made it to the end of 30. But friends, I see something special down here. There's a little I'm sticking my tongue out, not to make a F sound, but a TH sound. We don't say today is March 30. We say today is March 30th. It gets an extra little TH, so we know that we are counting right there. And friends, we went from our day to our month to our number at the bottom down here. we have 2020, and I'm knowing that you know that that is our year. So let's say it all together. We can say today is, let's do it in our whispering voice today. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Thank you, friends, for that. Now it is time to go check our weather. You get to go to the window and be our meteorologist and give me the weather report. What will the weather, what will the weather person say? What will the weather, what will the weather person say? Thank you, friends. I know that you are walking and coming back to find your spot. When you looked up in the sky, what did you see? Let's think about that. I'm going to draw a picture for you so you can think about what you saw. I know that I saw a little bit of clouds and a little bit of sun. So that told me today was partly cloudy. Let's think about those words. I'm going to think about it. P-A-R-T-L-Y. Partly cloudy. I know that starts with C-L-O-U-D-Y. And preschoolers, in our calendar, we thought about the beginning of words, at the very front of the words. But when I'm looking at partly and cloudy, I'm seeing something special there. I'm seeing a Y, and I'm seeing another Y. So let's say those words again. Partly cloudy. That this Y makes a special E sound at the ends of those words. So even though that the beginning is different, the end has the same sound. So up in the sky, we saw a little bit of sun, we saw a little bit of clouds. And preschoolers, I haven't been outside today, but I put my hand on the window sometimes as a clue. Let's think about it. It wasn't hot out there. It wasn't cold out there, but it was cool. So that means it wasn't quite warm, it wasn't quite hot, but it's cool, a little bit chilly. And preschoolers, we know that last week, 2 weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, time's all mixed up right now. We know that we had the first day of spring because we've been talking about all those changes, the birds and the weather and the plants. So preschoolers, help me say this all together. You can say the weather is. You can say it's partly cloudy, it's cool, and the season is spring. Thank you for that, friends. We'll see you later. Bye.